Just love the little Venetian mask. I'm so glad that this hybrid of Costa and Carnival have come together, and we've kept so many things and added so many things as well. But I want to show you a standard ocean view cabin, again with the gold fittings. I love that. The key card. And on this particular one, this is one of those double bathrooms. You've seen these on the Dream Class with the half baths, and look at that, the Venetian lion, the gold mirror. And in this particular room, you've got the shower. Now the shower is shower gel and shampoo, so it's body wash and shampoo all in one. Use the towels, the gold bathroom, the mirror, and through into here you've got 1, 2, 3 closets, the mini bar, telephone, tissue box, of the gold mirror, sofa, which will become the sofa bed, one from the ceiling, picture of the Basilica as you enter Venice, these heavy drapes, very plush. And all together you've got choose fun Italian style. This is a deluxe ocean view, I should say, in the sense that it's got the 2 bathrooms. We'll call it the family ocean view. You know what I'm talking about, and it's a brilliant way for the family to enjoy this gorgeous ship. I wish you were here. I really do. I wish you were here.